In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GetResponse landing page. We'll walk through the entire process from creating a landing page to customizing the design and finally publishing it so you can start collecting leads or promoting your offer right away. First, log into your GetResponse dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. Look for the option labeled Tools and click on it. This will open a large dropdown, often called a mega menu. From that menu, select Landing Pages. Once you're on the Landing Pages section, go to the top right corner and click Create Landing Page. The page will reload and you'll be asked how you want to build your landing page. You can choose a ready-made template or an AI-powered builder. Both work well, but for this walkthrough, we'll use a ready-made template. After choosing that option, you'll see a gallery of pre-designed templates, along with blank templates if you prefer starting from scratch. Take your time to browse and pick a layout that matches your goal, whether that's collecting emails, promoting a product, or sharing content. When you find a template you like, hover over it and click Use Template. This will open the template in the editor. Now you're inside the landing page editor. To adjust the overall look and feel of the page, find the pencil and brush icon, usually representing global design settings. Clicking this lets you change things like fonts, colors, and other style options that apply across your whole page. If you want to add more elements, look for the plus icon on the right sidebar. Click it, and you'll see a list of elements you can insert, such as text blocks, images, buttons, and forms. Most landing pages are designed to collect leads, so if your chosen template doesn't already include a form, or if you need an additional one, this is a good time to add it. To edit any existing element, just click it directly in the page preview. Its editing options will appear on the right side. Here you can change text, adjust styles, or update links. To rearrange an element, hover over it until you see a four-headed arrow icon. Then drag and drop it to your preferred position. If there's something you don't need, click the trash icon to delete it. When you're happy with your design, go to the top right and click Continue. On this next screen, you'll configure important settings. Start by editing the name of your landing page so it's clear and easy to recognize in your account. Then review your subscription settings, such as which list new contacts should be added to. You can also upload a favicon, which is the small icon that shows in the Browser tab, customize your cookie consent banner if needed, and connect analytics or other integrations. Make sure your business information is correct, then click Continue at the bottom right. Finally, you'll see a summary with your free GetResponse domain for this landing page. Review it, and when everything looks good, click Publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to share with your audience.